Hi folks, I'm Jeff Lambert.
And I'm Paige Lambert.
Together, we brought to life Songbird Hill Farm with a vision of a thriving local food system firmly rooted in health. Our mission is clear. We employ the pastured poultry model to provide nutrient-dense food to our community and to regenerate this land.
Our journey began with a simple dissatisfaction. The chicken in the stores just didn't meet our standards, so we took matters into our own hands. We proudly can say we raise the most delicious and nutritious chicken you cannot buy in the stores.
Our mission goes beyond the plate. It's about forging a deep connection between the farmer, the animals, and the land. Choosing to buy locally is a choice of power. It supports farmers and grants you unparalleled transparency. You get to know precisely how your food was raised and by whom.
Reconnecting to your farmer empowers you to reclaim your food sovereignty, prioritizing your health and vitality. Our farming philosophy is built on relationships like these. Our connection to the land, honoring those who tended it before us, is at the heart of it all. Our commitment to the well-being of the animals we raise drives us to create a system that ensures their thriving.
And it's about the food, nourishing our bodies and savoring the meals born from the union of land, animal, and people. Our food isn't just mere sustenance. It's an explosion of flavors that ignites the senses.
Now, envision a world where we all chose a better, healthier food system. The land coming back to life, richness and vitality returning, and the revival of a local food culture.
We are dreamers of a more beautiful world. That's why we created Songbird Hill Farm.
Look at that. Look at this. We have earth